And now for the reprise.
We see your glory. We see your glory, Lord. You're high and you're lifted up, and your train fills the temple. We worship you, we worship you, we worship you, we worship you. Oh, we worship you. Oh, we bow down in your presence as the angels do, and we cry, holy, 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 holy. Holy, 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 we see your glory. Let it be revealed in this place. Hey, do let it be revealed. Show yourself. We want to really, really, really know you. So we worship you. How we worship your majesty. Dominion, power, it belongs to you, Jesus.
Hey, Jesus. Jesus. Oh, God. I'm going to read Psalms 96, verse 10 through 13. Say among the heathen, which means nations, that the Lord reigneth. The world also shall be established, that it shall not be moved, but he shall judge the people righteously. Let the heavens rejoice, and let the earth be glad. Let the sea roar, and the fullness thereof. Let the field be joyful, and all that is therein. Then shall all the trees of the wood rejoice, before the Lord, for he cometh. For he cometh to judge the earth. He shall judge the people with righteousness, and the people with his truth. Prepare yourselves, because he's coming really soon.